birds are some of the meanest animals. Have you seen that video that's going around of the bird that's eating an antelope alive?
You think they're mean?
Oh, they're vicious. I just think they're reptiles. They're flying reptiles.
Or are they more reptile?
Yeah, I mean, what a bird is a dinosaur. They're flying dinosaurs. Look at this. This eagle is riding this antelope's back and it's got its claws dug into its back. So you see all the blood pouring off the back. And it's just digging into its body. Because those claws, the talons that an eagle has are so powerful. Oh. So it's just riding this thing and then eating out of its rib cage while it's just slowly dying. And that antelope can't do a goddamn thing to get away.
It's like one of those moving buffets that you're at. You ever been at one of those? One of those where the food moves by as you're eating it?